This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba.
With Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman set to present her 9th Union Budget 2026 on 1st February 2026, which falls on Sunday. This will be the second full budget of the Modi 3.0 government, following the first full budget presented in 2025. The Indian stock markets will remain open for trading on Sunday. But one question is in everyone's mind. Will the old tax regime be scrapped or discontinued? And what are the big changes will be introduced in the new tax regime? Please watch the video to know what the tax experts are saying. So, without wasting any time, let's find out. India currently follows two parallel income tax systems, the old tax regime and the new tax regime. While the new tax regime offers lower tax rates and it removes most deductions and exemptions, many taxpayers still prefer the old tax regime because of deductions. To change this trend, the government may revise slab rates under the new tax regime. The tax experts have suggested increasing 30% tax slab from rupees 24 lakh to rupees 35 lakh to counter inflation, boosting middle class disposable income and economic growth. So, there is a strong possibility that the government will introduce targeted deductions in the new tax regime for budget 2026 to boost its attractiveness and encourage wider adoption. Therefore, experts have suggested to increase the standard deduction from rupees 75,000 to rupees 1 lakh or rupees 1 lakh 25,000 in the new tax regime, which will offset living cost and potentially the impact of new labor codes. Experts have also suggested to introduce a capped deduction like health insurance section 80D to cover rising medical expenses and to make the new regime more appealing than the old regime for mainstream taxpayers. Experts have also suggested to introduce a capped deduction like home loan interest section 24B for interest on self-occupied properties to support home buyers, and also to introduce NPS contribution for employee contributions to encourage retirement savings, and to introduce a deduction like loan interest for higher education costs. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful.